Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Naughty here. Let's hop right on into this 30-minute hairstyle I got for you guys. From wet hair to a amazing easy hairstyle in 30 minutes. I am using my first half wig, and let me just say I am in love with half wigs now. They are such a handy and convenient thing to have on hand. So as you can see, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. I washed it, conditioned it, deep conditioned it, all that good stuff, and I am going straight into this hairstyle on hair that's wet. So that's another convenient thing. You don't have to wait for your hair to dry. You can just hop right on into this style. So I'm taking the rat tail comb, and I am just parting my hair in half as good as I can get it. I'm very bad at parting, guys, so you know, just bear with me. And I'm just making sure that it's straight on the sides. I'm not really worried about that middle part because the sides are, maybe they will show, maybe not, but that middle part is definitely not going to show. So I'm just focusing on the side areas. Then I'm going to take the half that I just parted out in the front and put it in a bun on the top of my head just to get it out the way, because I'm going to work on the back portion first. I'm going to take this Cream of Nature Argan Oil, Strengthen and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I'm just going to spray it all throughout my hair, the back portion of my hair, and just, you know, just to make sure it has a bit of moisture because it's going to be under a wig cap. Then I'm taking the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel, one of my new favorite gels. I absolutely love this stuff. It is so moisturizing. It does not flake. It does not cake up. It does not get disgusting. You can put this stuff on your hair day after day after day, and not only does it hold it and sleek it down, but it doesn't make a mess. So once I put my hair into a ponytail, all I did was twist it down, and now I'm wrapping it into a bun, and I'm just going to bobby pin it in place with a few bobby pins. Then I'm going to take a regular old wig cap, and I'm just going to cover the back portion of my hair up because that is where we are going to be putting the half wig. So as you can see, I have one side of the front portion of my hair done. So now I'm just going to show you how I did it on the other side. I'm taking that Argan Oil Strengthen and Shine Leave-In Conditioner from Cream of Nature one more time and just spraying that throughout the section and just Denman brushing it through. Then I'm going to take this oil moisturizer from BB. This is like one of those throwbacks, but I really like it. I use it on my daughter's hair, actually, both of them, but I found that I like it for my hair too, so I'm just slicking that throughout the section too. And then I'm going to follow it up with some Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel, and I'm just slicking that through too. And then I'm just going to Denman brush all those products through. I'm just trying to get this section as sleek as possible. You can see the other side of my hair looks really slick and, like, you know, sleek. That's what I'm going for. I don't want any tangles in my hair. I don't want it waving up, curling up on me. So then I'm going to follow it up with a normal, like, hard bristle, thick bristle brush just to sleek it through even more. And now I'm adding some more of that Shine and Jam conditioning gel to, like, the outer edges of my hair of the section just to slick it down even further and to get our edges nice and sleek. Now I'm taking a regular old hair tie and just putting it in a high ponytail, and then I'm going to wrap it into a normal bun around and bobby pin it in place. Taking a bit more of that Shine and Jam conditioning gel, I'm using my Red by Kiss Edge brush, and I'm just going to slick down my edges. You got to have your edges on fleek anytime they're out with a style like this. So that's all I'm doing. And there we go. Yes. So now I'm actually going to be using the star of the show, the Instant Weave Boutique Bundles by Sensationnel. This is in the style Boutique Deep, and it's in the color T1B/613. You guys know I love my platinum blonde hair, and this video is no different. So I am going to take this platinum blonde hair and slay it for you. So this is a half wig. It's not a full wig. It doesn't go all the way up to the top of your hair. It's meant to be blended with your real hair, which is really, really cool and really, really quick. So I am going to take this wig and blend it with these space buns that I have at the top of my head. As you can see, there's a very long, wide comb at the top of the wig because you really want to press that down into your head and to make it nice and flat. And then there's just a normal, a bit larger type comb in the back, but not as large as the one in the front. So I'm really going to secure the top of that comb at the top of the section and then secure the back also. And I noticed it wasn't blending well. It wasn't looking natural at all. So we're going to fix that. So to fix that, to make it just look a bit more natural, what I'm going to do is just take some of the back of the half wig and blend it with the front buns. I just felt like some blonde needed to be in the front to make it look a bit more natural. So what I did is just fan out a bit of a portion of the back of the blonde on top of the black hair, on top of my real black hair, just to make it blend a bit more. And then I just bobby pinned it in place. There's really no like, set rules. Just do whatever you want to do. Do it till it looks nice and just bobby pin it in place. Just fan the hair out on top of your black hair. Bobby pin it in place however you want it to look. And yeah, that's it. It doesn't have to be perfect, which is one great thing about this style. It does not have to be perfect. It's more of an effortless whatever type of hairstyle, which is what I really, really like, but it's still very, very cute. So now I'm taking some of this Magic Collection hair string. This is in the color gold. I'm going to take 2 of the strings and double knot them together. Now once you get the string tied together, you're going to begin to wrap it around the bun. You may have to play with it a bit, but once again, this is all a freestyle. Just do whatever you want to do, and once you get it looking right, just bobby pin it in place. And this is the finished look, guys. Once I got everything positioned the way I wanted it to look, it is such a funky, fun type of hairstyle that you can pull together in about 30 minutes. So as you can see, half wigs are definitely an important tool to have in your hair arsenal, your hair weapons, because you can pull this out and pull a quick style together in no time. So if you're interested in this half wig from ebonyline.com, please don't forget to check the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.